Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to claim Twitch drops. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to claim your Twitch drops, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first. Then after opening the Twitch application, you just simply have to go into your profile section and go to drops. Then after that, you will get to see so many drop options into here. I'm just selecting one of these drops, and then you can tap into these 3 participating channels. Then after tapping into there, you just simply have to tap into any of the channels in order to participate into that drop, and you have to watch the live stream for required time period in order to get the drop. This streamer has enabled this drop here. You have to watch 30 minutes in order to claim the reward into your Valorant account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.